Hi, let's create Stellar Decentralized Wallet. Go to atomicwallet.io, download the file and install the app. Open it and click on the New Wallet button. Enter your password to encrypt your mnemonic seed. Get your mnemonic phrase and save it in a safe and secret place and click on the Start Wallet button. Here you go! Now you can manage your XLM in a decentralized way. All private data are stored on your device and never leave it out. Only you have access to your private key, so your money is totally under your control. You can buy crypto with a credit card and exchange your assets right in Atomic Wallet interface with built-in exchange service or in a decentralized order book with Atomic Swap. Download the app now at atomicwallet.io. Claim AWC tokens by leaving an email in the airdrop tab and subscribe to Atomic Wallet on Twitter.